Here in the heart of Lancaster City, small organizations like Impact Missions team up with local churches and small groups to help refurbish and redefine houses in the community.
Impact Missions is a 501c3 interdenominational faith-based housing ministry in Lancaster County. We help families that are making less than 2 times poverty level. Most of the families we help are making less than $15,000 a year.
Impact Missions serves the community by repairing and restoring houses in the broader Lancaster areas. They reach out to local community groups for support in this effort.
We get volunteer groups from youth up through adults to come out and help us. We will provide the expertise, the tools, the materials so that the volunteers can just show up and provide the type of work that's needed to help the neighbor be able to live safe, warm, and dry in their home.
Impact Missions not only supports these neighbors in a positive way, but their very own volunteers.
It was nice to kind of take a break from my everyday life. Like over the summer, I work almost every day, and just taking a break and still working but doing something else was really nice.
Impact Missions work has helped many people, both in the past, future, and present.
We intervene with the individual's life. We build a long-term relationship with the individual, and so over 150 residents, neighbors are now giving back.
These relationships between homeowners occur right outside of our homes in Lancaster County, PA.
We've also rehabbed right around 40 houses in Lancaster City and one in Columbia, where it was sold to a low-income first-time home buyer. And then we've also started a store. It was out of the G.R. Mitchell's building down in Refton. And just this year we moved up here to Leetort, 634 Leetort Road.
But at the end of the day, when the final nail is hammered and the final screw is in place, it's a bigger message to Matt.
We got to start looking at things from others' perspectives and not just our own perspective.
Impact Missions will continue to provide an example of hospitality and kindness for all. For Untitled Happenings, I'm Vince.